Hey guys, welcome back to It's Priscilla Marie. Today I finally decided to do the makeup tutorial using the Bad Habit After Dark eyeshadow palette. You guys voted on it. It was so close with the colorful palette, but this one has been winning a majority of the time. So I really hope you guys enjoy this eyeshadow look. I did a very quick and easy one for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Ciao! Alright, with already primed eyelids, I went ahead and used swipe right and apply that all over the lid to just set that primer into place to have the eyeshadows blend out more smooth. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade to the crease. This is going to be my first transition shade. I'm going to use window wiper motions and blend that all out. Now I'm going to go into Crush on Me, which is a little bit more of a deeper burnt orange shade, and that is going directly into the crease and again doing window wiper motions. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the two deeper colors in the eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately, it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted, but I did apply about 2 or 3 layers all over my lid. And then I went ahead and made sure everything was blended out nicely. I did go in with the two deeper colors again with a little bit of water just to go ahead and deepen up that lower lash line, and I applied a highlight to my inner corners. And that is literally it. I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys oh so much. Ciao. Mwah.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my mind.